Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung sama kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green Girly Kitty Patuti Iguana, na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating second day ng ating lecture about food reflexology. Ayun po, I hope na meron kayong nalalaman, meron kayong mga information na natutunan po sa ating daily premieres. Siyempre, dito po sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. But before we proceed, hingin ko muna ang inyong thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. And po si G po ay patuloy pa rin sa kanyang recovery period. Nangayayat na po yung G natin. Nangayayat siya. She lost some weight because she has problems with her gums. And of course, I've been bringing her out every day, at least 4 hours under the sun, direct sunlight po. Alright, so let's proceed po. So, benefits of reflexology. Yung pinakauna po is kahapon we discussed about stress and relaxation. Now, we proceed to the next, which is the pain management. Ito mga masters and mga ka-G, pain management is one of the benefits you can get from foot reflexology. So, paano po nakakatulong? How can foot reflexology help? Perhaps related to its effects on stress and relaxation, foot reflexology may also help you with managing both acute and chronic pain. When we say acute, it's a short period of time. When we say chronic, it's more than 6 months or more. Ayun na po yung mga chronic. Medyo matagal-tagal na po yung iba po. Years and years na po yan na iniindang nila yung pain. Foot reflexology may help reduce pain after an operation. Ayan po, sa may mga surgery dyan or may mga operations, ang foot reflexology po ay nakakatulong po para sa pain. There was a 2020 study na ginanap po sila, found that a foot reflexology significantly reduced pain after kidney transplantation surgery. Ayun, kidney transplant. Yung foot reflexology po ay nakatulong. Yun, compared with control group. So, ano nila po, naka-survey, naka-study po sila. May grupo po silang ipinag-aralan dyan. Similarly, we have a 2018 study. Okay, 2018 naman po, 2 years before that. A military member of with chronic pain found that after one session of reflexology, pain scores were reduced by 43%. Kasi may mga pain yan, sabi 1 to 10, siguro ang pain niya ay naging 6 na lang po or naging 5.5 na lang instead of 100, instead of 10. Okay? Among males, sa mga babae naman medyo mataas-taas po. Mataas-taas po yung percentage ng lalaki. Sa mga babae po, 41% lang. So 43% pain reduced sa male and 41% sa females. Ibabalik natin si G ha sa loob kasi si G po ay nag-say hi lang po sa inyo. Okay? G is so good girl. Okay, baby. Go back. Alright. G says hi. She's just undergoing some recovery right now. Right? So the number three effect of foot reflexology is digestion. So it has a big benefit on digestion. So sabi ni Martinez, yung diniscuss natin kahapon, sa mga researchers dyan, notes that isang doktor pala yan, reflexology, chiropractor pala si Martinez. No? Martinez notes that reflexology may help with digestion. One of the reflex points found in your feet is connected to your stomach. Merong point po dyan na relate na connected po sa ating chan, sa ating stomach, helping to, when this particular point is stimulated, it will increase the blood flow to your stomach, helping to improve digestion. Sabi po ni Martinez. So, as we go along, ano natin yan, babalikan natin yung mga points na yan sa ating, kung ano yung mga points sa ating pinipindot natin, di ba? Sa mga digestion. So stomach is very important, mga masters and mga ka-G. So let's say for example, hanapin natin kung saan po ang point ng stomach. So Dito po sa picture natin, sandali po, hanapin ko muna yung picture ng stomach. So ito po ang point ng stomach po mga masters, mga ka-G. Ayun, sandali po Ayun po ang stomach na region po, o yung green. Yung green na yan, dyan po yung stomach yan. Yung stomach, yung green. O, di ba? So yun po ang point ng stomach, kung saan po yung imamassage mo para po ay ma-stimulate po ang digestion. Ayan. So again, ito po yung point ng stomach. May ilaw, may ilaw. Ito po yung stomach ko. Itong area na to, yung dito. Okay, so this is your foot. Ito po ang stomach. Ito po. Okay? So, ididiinan mo lang yan. Massage mo lang po yung stomach area and makakatulong po yan. It will help you with your digestion. Okay? So, however, there was a 2017 study on foot reflexology for children with functional constipation found that reflexology had no effect on bowel movement frequency or consistency. Iba kasing ginamit nila dito. According to the source, sa mga children. Kasi sa children po, iba po yung sa amin, sa Oriental Acupuncture, meron po tinatawag dyan na tuwina or pediatric tuwina. Sa mga bata, below 12 years old, may mga specific points po dyan. So, iba po yung point ng pediatric tuwina. So, sa kanila, ginamit nila yung foot reflexology chart, iba pala yun. Okay, so more research is needed to understand any effects that foot reflexology might have on digestion. Okay, so let's proceed po sa number 4, which is eye strain. And po, sa mata natin, palagi tayo sa mga YouTubers dyan, sa mga hindi natutulog, katulad ng mga kilala ko dyan. Nako, pipindot sana ako ng sound card, wala pala akong sound card dito. Okay, so eye strain. Reflexology can help reverse some of the stress we put on our eyes just from our daily activities, sabi ni Martinez. These pressure points help relax the tight muscles caused looking on our screens all day. So meron po siya. So later on, after siguro natin ng mga discussion na to sa next natin mga topics, unahin natin yung yung mga pressure points. Pressure points, anong gagamitin natin. Next is improved sleep. Improved sleep po. Makatulong po ito sa tulog. Considering reflexology may be beneficial in helping you relax and reduce stress. It's no surprise that some say it may help promote a more restful night's sleep. Sino ba sa inyo dito hindi makakatulog? Ayun, hanap kayo ng mga partners nyo dyan, turuan yung mga partners nyo, or magpa-reflex kayo. Kung willing kayo magbayad, punta kayo sa mga spa centers, ay magpa-reflex po kayo. Makakatulong talaga po yun mga masters and mga ka-G. Okay? So, in the above-mentioned 2020 study, yung 2020 study po nila, yung tungkol sa, di ba, meron silang study na tungkol sa kidney transplant. Yan, 2020 study yun. Okay? So, foot reflexology after kidney transplant surge. The group that received foot reflexology but had significant improved sleep. So yung mga inoperahan po, yung mga meron pong surgery po sa transplant, na-research nila, rinicall po nila, yung mga nagpa-foot reflexology po, yung sa kanilang study na 2020 noon, ay marami po ang nag-improve ang sleep. Next, benefit of foot reflexology is diabetes. Ayun, diabetes. Sino sa inyo dito yung may kilala or meron ng existing health issue regarding sa diabetes? It is unknown whether foot reflexology is beneficial for diabetes. But there is an ongoing research. Okay, may ongoing research po sila. There's a 2018 study found that 12 sessions of foot reflexology for people with diabetes had no effect or on capillary blood glucose, feet tissue temperature, and plantar pressure. So wala daw effect. Okay, wala daw effect yung sa ano. So pero yung improvement nila, dali po, may mga improvements din po sila. So hindi lang po ito, ano ba yung aking screen na to? Nako. Alright, so ang sasabi dito, some improvement was seen in foot ground time, okay, which may have indications for improved mobility and preventing foot ulcers. So foot ground time is nakakadapat yung kanilang paa sa sahig kasi masakit po yan, mga diabetics na mga diabetic na mga may mga ano na, may mga late stages na. So usually masasakit yung mga pagtapat ng paa nila. So after the a good session or sessions of foot reflexology, na notice po nila na mas marami na po yung nakakatayo at nakakapag-spend time walking and standing. Okay? So siyempre, pag makakatayo ka, it also helps prevent foot ulcers. Kasi foot ulcers po is kung nakahiga ka lang dyan at hindi ka gumagalaw, ayun, magkakaroon ng poor blood circulation sa paa mo. Ayun po, hindi siya gumagalaw, so walang circulation, ayun, magkaka-ulcer, yung magkakasugat-sugat po yung paa mo. Okay, however, there was a study group, small study with limitations, so more research is needed to make any conclusions on reflexology for diabetes. All right. So hanggang dito lang muna tayo. Proceed tayo bukas. Does reflexology work? That's the next question. And I hope please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. At mamaya po, kita-kits tayo ulit sa ating premiere marathon sa Bahay Kulitan. Meron tayong apat na host, Razel Williams. Of course, nandyan din po yung ating Indayana and asawa ng mekaniko, and of course, Doc Zenaida Pershonkula. Kita-kits po tayo mamaya. Alright, so sa mga magpe-premiere at magsusupport, maraming salamat. Again, this is G, the green girly kitty patuti iguana, and your one and only Master Worm. Maraming salamat, and God is great. Yahoo!